Hello! This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library, here to show you a recipe from Vegan Diner, available for checkout at your local branch. Today's recipe is mocha muffins with a vegan twist. For your ingredients, you are going to need all-purpose flour, flax meal or unsweetened applesauce, finely grated espresso or French roast coffee, baking powder, ground cinnamon, salt, granulated sugar, vanilla soy milk, canola oil or plant butter, vanilla extract, brewed cooled coffee, and semi-sweet chocolate chips. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a 12-cup muffin tin with liners of your choice. For easy peeling later and less muffin waste, go ahead and spray your liners with your choice of oil spray. Step 2. In a medium bowl, combine your flour, baking powder, ground cinnamon, salt, and ground espresso, mixing well. Then set it aside. Step 3. In a large bowl, whisk together your sugar, your soy milk, your applesauce, your melted plant butter, and your vanilla extract until it is smooth. Step 4. Slowly add the flour mixture in batches to your wet mix and whisk until it is just combined. Then, for step 5, you're going to add in your cooled coffee, whisking until it's just mixed. Now for step 6, you're just going to gently stir in your chocolate chips. Once it's all ready, for step 7, you're going to divide your batter evenly among the 12 lined cups in your pan, filling each about 3/4 of the way full. If you don't have a cookie scoop or any special tool to measure out your batter, just use the 1/4 measuring cup until all the batter is evenly distributed among your liners. For step 8, bake your muffins in a preheated oven for 20 to 30 minutes or until the tops are puffed up and a toothpick comes out clean. Finally, for step 9, you carefully remove your muffins from the oven and let them stand in their pan for 5 minutes. Then place on a rack to cool. Enjoy! Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day!